Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will be unboxing the VicTsing MM057 wireless portable mouse. The mouse comes in a neat white package shown here with the VicTsing logo on the top left. The contents of the box include the mouse, the user manual, and the box itself. Let's start off with the mouse. The mouse I have is black, but you can get it in a range of colors. Some of the features that this mouse has is that it is 2.4 GHz, it has 5 adjustable DPI levels, and it has 6 buttons. It also has a comfortable right-handed grip with a padded scroll wheel. The mouse's 6 buttons are the right click button, the left click button, the scroll wheel button, the DPI sensor button, the backwards button on the browser, and the forwards button on the browser. You can pick this mouse up at Amazon for around $14. And this mouse is one of their cheapest wireless gaming mouses. The user manual of the mouse is very simple. It is a pamphlet design with a front and a back. The user manual comes in 6 different languages, which includes English, Spanish, French, Italian, German, and Japanese. The user manual has all the information you need to set up your mouse, but I will also go through the setup process with you. To start the setup of the mouse, the first thing you have to do is take off the cover for the battery, just like that. Then you have to insert the battery, which is a AA battery. The next step that we have to do is to take out the USB receiver that you can see right here, and you have to insert it into a USB port on your computer or laptop, like so. You can put the battery cover back on and you're done with the setup process. Personally, I think this mouse is very nice with a comfortable grip and a nice scroll wheel. It glides across the surface very easily, and it has 5 different levels of sensitivity, so I really like that feature. All in all, it's a great product for its price, and I would definitely recommend this. Be sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to hit that notification bell. Thank you. See you next time.